Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a cut crease tutorial for you guys today. You know, after having that really awful first impressions video that went up last week, I think, you know, I kind of wanted to do something different and something that I knew I would be happy with how it turned out. So this is the look I did. I've given you a very easy, simple cut crease. I did use the Modern Renaissance palette for this. It's really simple, just a nice neutral gold cut crease, wing liner, some bronzer, and I'm actually really liking this cool tone lip. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Invincible.
If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you guys missing every time I upload a video. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Try to shoot for 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Doesn't quite always come out that way, but I try. Be sure to leave me your questions, comments, concerns, suggestions for this video and any future videos that you want to see from me down below in the comment section. I love reading your guys' comments, and you guys have all been so sweet and supportive lately. I got a lot of love for the smoky eye tutorial I did recently, so if you haven't seen that, it's up here. Go watch it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!